Hello, and welcome to PCG, the leader in business sustainability through digital transformation. As we go through this brief introduction, please pay attention to some of the fast facts that will pop up on the screen. These will provide you with a little more detail on who we are as we explore our amazing company together. Our first fast fact, please keep these numbers in mind. They will show up again later. PCG is a service provider that focuses on business sustainability through predictive system performance and has grown alongside the Infor product line, making us one of the longest-serving alliance partners in Infor's history. PCG began its journey from its roots with Flextronics and grew to become a company that some of you may remember as Business.Decision. Through successful mergers along the way, the organization grew in size, expanded its knowledge and service capabilities, and thus evolved into the organization that we know today as PCG. With solution experience going back to the Triton era, spanning through Bond ERP and into the Infor Cloud Suite of today, PCG has a broadened knowledge to aid any customer in their service needs. Fast fact, proof of our industry experience, PCG was named Infor's Manufacturing Partner of the Year. Our company understands the needs of its customers, and we listen to the components your team needs to be successful. Part of our core in delivering sustainability for our customers is to focus these 5 drivers that directly contribute to organizational success. Deep insights into a customer's industry with source knowledge on the technology and platforms within it. Maintaining proven expertise in the latest solution technology sets and business requirements, providing quality with both speed and accuracy to complete services and align customers with technology, and more success in operating with our customers and providing industry-leading leadership and support. PCG offers a full range of services in delivering Infor solutions to its customers. Part of this model includes a 5-step process in our methodology that focuses on a sustainability approach for project success. We begin with a plan which establishes the foundation and benchmarks of the project. Once complete, we move on to the execution strategy with a focus on core modeling, which we will discuss more on later. During the implementation cycle, we will continuously monitor each step of the project to ensure adherence to the plan. We will also measure the progress through each stage of implementation and evaluate current success on those KPI models. Once delivered, we'll then focus on optimization to provide our customers with a continuous competitive advantage and a guarantee on long-term sustainability. One of the key foundation stones in PCG's sustainability model is maintaining serviceable and predictable solutions with our customers. Keeping relevant with the current industry standards, PCG delivers on Industry 4.0 and provides customers with implementations of intelligent systems that help align your operations with the next level of advanced technology and predictable models. Key knowledge and development and service of Infor Burst business intelligence platforms and Infor OS digital solution stacks allows PCG to deliver on advanced solutioning and taking their customers from behind the technology bar to leading their industry and system advances. Continued knowledge in Infor Cloud Suite allows PCG to provide customers with end-to-end solution design specifically for their industry, and functional applicational knowledge for extensibility processes around Factory Track and MES, as well as CRM, CPQ, and PLM models, just to name a few, allows us to capture a complete business enterprise solution and deliver it to our customers with a continued sustainable and predictable approach. And those skills and expertise are not singularly focused. PCG has experience in multiple industries with deep knowledge of core requirements and processes, which builds on the Infor Agility implementation model. Over the years of success, we've taken this industry knowledge and utilized it to bring hundreds of satisfied customers online with the latest and most advanced Infor product lines of the time. And we continue to provide sustainable success while ensuring our customers maintain a competitive advantage against their competition. Now that we know a little more on how PCG works with its individual customers, let's look at how we focus on specific industry needs. To begin, let's take a look at how PCG provides a sustainable predictability service model to the automotive industry.
We will now go into the details of the automotive industry with PCG. PCG has been there, and we have the people to help you in the automotive industry, such as myself, who has spent my entire career in the auto industry helping improve processes and implementing the right solution to meet the demands of the automotive industry. And a fast fact, PCG has over 100 skilled, expert resources experience in the Infor product solutions with the industry vertical knowledge such as automotive. Focusing today on tier suppliers, PCG brings industry expertise and delivers a sustainable and predictable implementation model that focuses on 8 key objectives. These objectives include the setup of standardization and core processes across divisions with key focuses on such areas as quality thresholds, material control, operational precision, and financial and organizational compliance measures. We strive to provide industry modernization and consolidation of processes, where possible to make our clients more competitive. A keen understanding of current challenges that the automotive customers face, PCG services our customers' needs and works to provide long-term resolutions around the most challenging aspects of operations, such as trying to maintain advanced product outputs with outdated legacy systems, keeping up with ever-changing requirements from the OEMs, maintaining ISO and SOX compliances, and trying to operate with a convoluted technology systems through business mergers or past siloed performance models. We understand there is an increasing supply chain complexity that must be met to stay competitive in the automotive industry. With PCG's strong understanding of the automotive supply chain, we can help you remove some of those complexities by helping you connect and collaborate with your suppliers, find ways to increase operational efficiencies in your process, improve your visibility down the supply chain with being able to look at performances for your suppliers, and also look at ways to lower your costs around electronic communication and document exchange. When it comes to shipping challenges, PCG can help you hit these challenges head on. Here at PCG, we have experts with years of experience with the major OEMs, so we can help you with all your needs. We can address specific OEM challenges around logistical requirements, label requirements, and last but not least, PCG has automotive EDI experts that can help you put the best solution in place to meet these challenges head on. If you're one of those tier suppliers that must meet the inline sequencing for your OEMs, we have the experts to help you put the right solution in place. We will work with you side by side to figure out the best processes that work for you. Depending on your unique business requirements, we can help you build to sequence, or maybe you sequence that shipping. Either way, we can help with those challenges. If you're new to sequencing or been doing it for years, PCG has the experts to help you streamline your sequencing process. We at PCG understand you may have specific challenges around your reference-based customers. We understand some of the challenges with your legacy systems is the ability to track the reference information from your OEM to your shipment process. It is critical to track this reference information from the time you get it in the EDI to the time you invoice your OEM. The goal is to make sure your receivables process is as streamlined as possible. So if you're having challenges with reference-based customers or queue management issues, we are here to help you. When it comes to planning production in your business solution, it is important that we address a few key processes on your shop floor, such as giving you options in the solution to be able to do repetitive manufacturing versus job shop production. Having a solution that understands how to do demand smoothing with the unique automotive industry requirements. Being able to be on top of those last-minute changes that come in from your customer. Reduce mislabeling issues on the shop floor by doing line-side labeling. And we can help you introduce lean approaches on your shop floor to be more proactive with your customers instead of reactive. PCG can help streamline your shop floor. PCG understands you're not just dealing with your OEM requirements, but also meeting such regulatory challenges as RoHS and REACH, or ISO certification, Sarbanes-Oxley, or possibly MMOGLE. We can help you address these challenges with a variety of solutions depending on your specific requirements. We understand the challenges of making sure you have segregation of duties for such things as Sarbanes-Oxley. We understand the request from your OEMs to follow MMOGLE, and PCG can help you align your processes with these requirements. So if it is conflict minerals, ISO, Sarbanes-Oxley, or other regulatory challenges, PCG has the experts that can help you. Next, I want to talk about APQP. The challenges in this area for most of you is typically your solution entails email, Access Database, and Excel. PCG is here to help align you with the right solutions and processes to bring the APQP process back into your overall solution so you can have one source of the truth. PCG wants to help you to work towards a fully integrated system and streamline your APQP process. So PCG is here to help you plan, do, check, and act, and aligning your PPAP, FEMAs, MSAs, and SPC processes into your overall APQP solution. So if you have just started looking at your Industry 4.0 journey, or if you're already on it, PCG is able to help you put an Industry 4.0 roadmap together and align it with your automotive requirement needs. If you're looking for automotive experts to help you on your journey, PCG is the partner for you. And back to you, Justin.
So how does PCG provide service to these industries and implement Infor product solutions for its customers so successfully? We do it through the adoption of implementation agility. We begin by gaining a clear understanding of the customer's vision and bring the processes for implementing Infor software for their business in a way that engages the customer through the entire process. We work with our customers in establishing a proof platform which is validated by their central business team before deployment begins. And as we move through the project stages, we focus on team building exercises that helps ensure that we're managing our project goals successfully, as well as transferring the required knowledge for the customer's continued success. And during this entire process, our skilled resources stand alongside our customers to aid them in continuous innovations and improvements which allow them to continue to evolve. PCG deploys the agility service model with respect to the key components that make up a successful implementation for our customers. We focus on a strict adherence to the reference architecture to ensure sustainability through the use of core application processes that allows customers to easily adapt to system improvements and future enhancements. We implement Infor software utilizing an enhanced Infor Accelerator 4.0 stack that delivers a 60% industry core model in the 60-30-10 implementation approach. We've adopted the use of process intelligence, which delivers industry-focused methodologies that allow us to align our skills with the latest industry requirements and regulations. We provide a testing as a service model to ensure the Infor products we implement for our customers are functional and meet the appropriate standards. We follow the Infor agility models and deploy customer systems utilizing a pre-configured playbook with the 60-30-10 model approach associated. And we support the system enablement process that aligns us as an Infor partner with customer-based content that aligns with your industry needs. By adopting these principles, PCG has become a true leader in the industry. Fast fact, PCG delivered the first LN implementation in North America, was the first LN Alliance partner, was the first Infor partner to deliver a full-stack LN 10.5 platform to a successful go-live in North America, was the first Cloud Suite approved LN ERP partner, and is the first Infor recognized Burst specialty ERP partner in North America. The PCG approach for service delivery is based on the Infor deployment method, which is built on industry open standards that include service competencies around PMBOK, SPAM, the Open Group Architecture Framework, and the Business Analysis Book of Knowledge. So why do customers use PCG for their Infor projects? Well, our skilled sets are all in-house. We deliver hands-on resources and we don't outsource. We provide fee predictability so our customers are not met with mounting costs in an ever-growing project timeline. We deliver customer-focused service approach with resource consistency on the project and cradle-to-grave implementation adoption methods. And we have a scalable and flexible service model that can meet a customer's need regardless of the project size or scope. Fast fact, PCG has a 100% project success rate with our customers. So how does all of this translate to you? Well, if you're a current or prospective user of Infor products, we can assist you in providing a comprehensive analysis on your next project. PCG's promise is to provide competitive rates, back all of our services and staff with a background of credibility and service expertise, submit a focused skill set of resources to evaluate and conduct your project tasks, and accelerate your company's understanding of the solutions and process models more quickly and efficiently. So, if you're looking at next steps, consider one of the following. Learn more about us by following the associated links to this presentation or contacting us at the information provided below. Leverage us to identify the next project in your pipeline or aid in closing an existing deal. Review our credentials and see sustainability in action. Or, if you're ready, let's get started on a new business sustainability project with you today. From all of us here at PCG, thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you in the near future.